Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. To continue, since this is March, Women's Month, I'm going to continue on with leading ladies of Stranger Things inspired makeup tutorial. And today, in this video, I'm going to focus on the main character, which is 11. She was really born Jane. Sucks what happened to her mom and stuff like that, and Dr. Brenner and all that crap. So let's get started. So it's like I feel overwhelmed to try this. She's gonna be a challenge because she has so many. She confronted so many creatures from the Upside Down, stuff like that, and I have an idea how to do two different eye looks for 11, based on seasons and an episode. But before I do that one for the eyes, I'm wearing MAC's blush in Friends Don't Lie, and then I have the Erie L from MAC. It's the lip gloss, so I'm wearing that one. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna both the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette and the ColourPop Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. They both have a shade called 11, and I swatched on my fingers, and they look similar. It's just that the one from Stranger Things eyeshadow palette, it's more pink. The one from ColourPop is more, no, excuse me. Yeah, that's right. The one in the ColourPop looks slightly more lavender. So I'm going to work on this eye look. So I'm focused on season 1. So I'm going to put 11 from Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put it on the eyelid. I mean the brow bone. Okay. And then I'm going to put let's see. I'm going to put excuse me Benny's Burger. I'm going to use it as a transitional shade. Yeah. I was so sad that the people from the lab, they killed off Benny. And then, yeah, so sad. And then 11 was able to escape out of the side door or back door of Benny's Burger. Okay, so there you go. Trying to see if there's anything else I want to do. Okay, let me see if I can. And then I gotta have from the ColourPop Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna put Waffle Thief on my lid. Wow, pigmented, okay. Okay. I'm just gonna play it by ear. Anything else that's Awful Thief? Okay. I was trying to think of something to do, Void. Trying to see if I can add more colors to this eyeshadow look. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Demogorgon. Dang it. I'm just looking. Another good Void. Mind Flayer. She went to so many places, not even funny. I'm gonna do. Yeah, I feel like putting Demigorgon from Max the Void palette. I'm gonna put Demigorgon on top of the Benny's Burger. Okay, yeah. I'm just playing by ear. What else? Mind Flayer. I feel like putting the Void. Um, I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna put the Void on the outer corner. I'll try not to. Oh yeah. Use this pencil brush. Might as well put it in the outer lower lash line. Okay. I'm thinking about adding one more color. This is I'm trying to do the best I can to at least do season 1 right over here. Uh-oh, where's my, oh shoot. And then Doid. I'm gonna do, I think that's about it, dang. I'm just trying to, again, I'm not gonna go for people and stuff like that. I think that's about it, unless what I can do. Did she go? My floor, no, the Void. Demogorgon. You know, it's good. I'm gonna put Demogorgon here. Yeah, soften it a little bit. Oh well. Soften this. Okay, so that's the first look that I came up with based on whatever happened in season 1. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready. The other one, I'll do the best I can to base off of what the season 3 finale, where I guess the kids were, well, there's like the Starcourt Mall was destroyed because of a damn battle with the Mind Flayer. Then Billy ended up sacrificing himself to save 11. He was a jerk, but for a reason, with his dad and stuff like that. But when he died, oh, it was so messed up. It was really sad. And he apologized to Max for not being a great brother to her, because he was just a jerk, you know what I'm saying? He didn't know how to control his anger problems towards dad, and he was very abusive. Swiping this. Okay, here we go. Let's see. This time I feel like taking. By the way, Benny's Burgers from class of 1986, the MAC eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna use this again. This time I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna use the sorry, the ColourPop version of 11. So I'm gonna use that 11 in the brow bone area. And it looks like close to my natural my skin color. Surprising. Man, it's like nothing. Okay. I'm trying to think what else I can do. What the hell? Oh, fudge. You know what? Go back to this eye look. I found I'm gonna do the version of Demogorgon in the Color Pop times Stranger Things. I'll use their Demogorgon. I'll put it in the lower last line here. There you go. Okay. Better. Okay. Alright, moving on to the other look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and go back to that. I feel scatterbrained. Okay. I'm gonna go to Class of 1986 eyeshadow palette from MAC. I'll take Starcourt Mall. I'm going to use it as the transition shade in the crease right over here. That's where the battle happened. Poor Max, she lost her stepbrother, so that sucks. Okay, and then just looking around, right? Let's see. Where's that dark? There's. Okay, here's Mind Flayer. So I'm gonna put Mind Flayer. This I think this looks gonna be, this is gonna work. Okay, Mind Flayer in the Void palette by MAC. It's gonna go on the lid. I put a little bit more. Okay. Is there anything else I can think of? I think that's about it. Let me see anything left over. Spice up the look. Okay, yeah. I'm just looking around. You know what? I guess that's it. That's all. That's the best I can do. For the two looks of my 11 inspired makeup tutorial. Well, I did the best I can. Anything else? No, that's about it. Until my next video, whenever that is. Peace out, bye, and good night.